Most people think you need an English environment to speak English. But today, I'm standing in my field surrounded by green crops and I am thinking in English. Welcome to day 6 of Think in English of 7-day challenge. If you want to speak English naturally, watch this video till the end. Hello, my name is Nigam and I am an English literature student and English teacher. We are doing a 7 days Think in English challenge and today is day 6. In these first 5 days, we learn how to stop translating and start thinking in English. Today I will show you how to think in English using real life and natures. English is classroom. Looks around me. This is field, not just a field. This is a classroom that can see you. English is not only learned from books. English is not from observations. When you see something, name it in English. Describe it in English. Speak it in English. This is how your brain changes powerful lines. You don't need a city life to speak English. You need awareness. Live practice. Now we are doing live practice. Now I will show you how I think in English. Right now I am standing in my field. I can see potato plants in the fields. The soil looks healthy. On the sides there is onion growing. Here you can see cauliflower. It is fresh and fully grown. There are green leafy vegetables everywhere. Bottle gourd is growing well. I can also see garlics and turnips. Behind me there is a mango tree and lychee trees. Near the fields there is my house. Everything looks green, calm and peaceful. Now listen carefully. This is your method. Step 1. See. Look at any object. Step 2. Name. Say its name in English. Step 3. Describe. Add one lines about it. Example. This is a mango tree. It is tall. It's look beautiful. No grammar pressures. No translations. Most learners do these mistakes. They think, first I will become fluent, then I will speak. Fluency comes after speaking, not before. Broken English is better than silent English. Many village students tell me we don't have any English environment. Today I want to say one thing. If English can grow in this field, it can grow anywhere. Don't feel small. Don't feel sad. Your background is not your weakness. It is your strength. Now it's your turn. Your task, look around you. Write 2 English sentences about that, what you see. For examples, I am sitting in my room. I can see window. Comment below. I will reply and correct. You have completed 60. That means you are serious. Tomorrow is day 7. the most important days. We will speak without fear, we will speak with confidence. If this video helped you, like it, share it with one learner, and subscribe for the savings. Remember, think in English, speak with confidence. Your journey has been already started. See you in the tomorrow. Bye bye.